A very warm welcome to all of you guys. I am Subbu and welcome to my YouTube channel. We are Exploring HD. In today's vlog, I am making for the unboxing. Few days before, I ordered one parcel from Lazada. So Lazada is the shopping site in Indonesia. I ordered one headset. It's a Bluetooth headset, but this is the budget headset which I ordered. I don't know this is original or not, but I ordered this headset. The model number is JBL J001. So I ordered this one. So the headsets are delivered to me and I am doing unboxing first time on my channel. So this is my first unboxing on We Are Exploring HD. This is the headset. This is the headphone which I found, which I ordered, and this is how it looks. The packing is really beautiful, and let's open this. What do we get inside this? It's a wireless headset. The wire quality is really good, and this is the operating console where we have the volume up button, volume down, and this is a call button. So from this button we can receive the call. We get here a charging cable and some extra tips for your ears as per your ear size, and there is one clip holder. So you get this also clip holder in this package. Okay, so the main thing is how the sound quality. So we will check the sound quality. So before that, I want to charge this. So here is the charging slot. So these are some specifications. It's time for the testing. How's the sound quality and how the music play time. I will describe that in the description or maybe on the screen. To pair this, this is a jog, and to pair this there is one central call sign button. So you have to press this call sign button to pair this. So I pair this. As it written here, active noise cancellation. The noise cancellation wearing this hands-free, it's perfect. So it's time to check the bass quality, as it said that this is the bass. The best quality. I want to check that the bass quality is good or no. Impressive. Sound quality is perfectly impressive. As it described that this is the best headset. These are the best headsets. Okay, so the headset's bass quality is really impressive. Especially I am the music lover and I am impressed with the bass quality. So if you are planning to buy these headsets, JBL J001 BT. So this is the model number, JBL J001. JBL J001. So this headsets, it's a budget headset, but this is the best deal if you buy from Lazada, and I will recommend this to buy. I just received the call. The call quality, the audio quality, the mic quality is also good. If you are doing workout, so this is a sweat proof. This is not waterproof. This is a sweat proof headset. And from my side, I will recommend this headset to buy. Go and check out, the link is in the description, so you can buy it from there. Yang ini murah tapi bagus, kualitasnya juga bagus, suaranya juga bagus. So harus beli. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and do not forget to press the bell notification icon. In that case, you will not miss the latest upcoming videos notification. And thanks for watching, thanks for your time, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay aware, stay conscious, and stay safe. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Have a nice time.